Hey, partner. Hey, buddy. Hey, motherfucker! What? 67, 62 Marine. He's signal 55.
26.
Hispanic, male, green shirt. He's running through the woods right now. I believe he's got a knife. Come here now!
26. HLB 1033 for now. Current unit in the area of 11770 Northwest 11th Place, signal 13 India, signal 55.
Get your hands now!
67, 62 advising. Hispanic male, green shirt, running through woods with knife.
Yeah.
Background 10 on.
51.
51. Lima 2199.
1001.
26, 1039.
Becky, did he say that the subject tried to stab him?
That's 10-4.
He had something in his hand. I can't confirm if it was a knife, but I was on the ground and he was steady hitting my chest, but my vest got it.
26.
Come here now! Put your hands up! The subject's crossing the road right now. He's got something in his left hand. I can't tell what it is. Lay down on the ground now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground now! Drop what you got and get on the ground now! He's got a knife. He's got a knife. Get on the ground now! He's got a knife. Yeah, because he come at me fast. I almost shot him earlier. Get on the ground!
Get on the ground! Get on your stomach! Get on your
Watch
stomach!
that knife.
Get on your stomach!
Watch the knife.
Put your hands behind your back! Hands behind your back! Don't
move. Reach for anything!
Don't even move!
I'm gonna kick that knife
away.
away.
Don't even move! If you move and you grab that knife, you're
knives.
gonna get shot. Do you understand
I'll kick the knife away.
I don't care what you grab.
Wait on for backup. Wait on for backup. I'm by myself. I'm by myself. I'm by myself.
If you move, you're gonna get tased. Do you understand?
I'm by myself. Why are you calling for backup?
Because you were trying
6 years. We got him detained.
I should have killed you, bitch. You know that, right? I should have killed you.
Okay.
You're lucky I didn't. You know that, right? You should thank God for that. I would have killed you in your neck. I would have stabbed you in your neck. You're lucky I didn't. Thank God for that shit.
Stop right there. He's running southbound. Westbound through the lot. Towards Penn. Yep, go around. Stop! Police, you're under arrest! Stop right there! Stop, stop, stop! Stop! You gotta go! Oh, fuck! I'm shot! I'm shot! I'm shot!
Sorry about it.
I'm shot!
Mario, get back, get back.
Oh,
Hey, pull him.
I'm shot!
Mario, get down.
Tourniquet!
Got you, Mario.
Tourniquet!
Got you. Hold him. Got him. We got him.
Tourniquet!
Anything. Stay there. Just stay there.
2525, I'm shot!
I think I got bullets too. Where you hit? Arm?
Right arm!
Got you.
Coming out on 76.
Stop! Police! Stop! Get down! Let me see your hands, hands, hands! He's got a gun, he's got a gun!
Shot!
20 shots fired, officer down. Start medics.
I'm shot!
Where are you hit, Mario? Get back, get back. Hey, hold him, hold him.
I'm shot!
Mario, get down. I got you.
Tourniquet!
I got you, Mario.
Tourniquet!
I got you. Hold him, hold him.
I got him! Got him! Tourniquet, tourniquet, tourniquet! Stay there! Just stay there! 2525, I'm shot!
I think I got bullets too. Where you hit? Arm?
Right arm!
Got you.